Derek Sebastian here with Bayer Range and Pasture. I have some exciting news to announce. We just heard from EPA that we got the full grazing label approved for indaziflam. That means that we have a new option to control invasive annual grasses on grazed rangelands. In the past, we've been using Esplanade 200 SC with some Section 18 labels to control cheatgrass, Medusa head, and ventinata. We're now going to launch a new product. It's going to be called Rejuvra, and it's the same formulation as Esplanade 200 SC, except that now we have the full grazing label on that for open spaces, natural areas, and rangelands here in the western U.S. So a really cool opportunity to now get ahead of these invasive annual grasses which are devastating the western U.S. You can see on this side, this is cheatgrass. You know, it completely invades these rangeland systems, and it's like a parasite. It sucks the life right out of it. You have these invasive grasses that take away from the shrubs, the forbs, the perennial grasses. So whether you're interested in production, whether you're interested in biodiversity, decreasing wildfires, there's a huge opportunity now with Rejuvra to really tackle the problem. And the problem is the seed bank. You know, we need a tool that can give us multi-year control, similar to what you're seeing on this hand, you know, this side over here. This was treated with Rejuvra 3 years ago. And what we're seeing is that residual control component, 3+ years control, one treatment. It finally gives us the opportunity to deplete that seed bank of that invasive grass and allow those natives to come back. You know, increasing production, biodiversity, and decreasing wildfire frequency based on that fine fuel that's eliminated just naturally over time. Just wanted to announce that new Rejuvra product. It's been a huge collaborative effort throughout the West. You know, all the universities, a lot of agencies, land managers. I can't thank you guys enough from the Bayer Range and Pasture team that we now have this new tool, Rejuvra, that we're going to be able to combat invasive annual grasses on grazed rangelands here in the western U.S.